And joining me now is Nara Lokesh, General Secretary of the Telugu Desam, son of Chandrababu Naidu. Appreciate your joining us, Nara Lokesh. You've written a very impassioned letter to the people of Andhra claiming this is vendetta politics that you will fight against. Why do you say it's vendetta? The YSRCP says they are following the rule of law. They've gone on the basis of a criminal complaint and an FIR that was filed subsequently accusing your father of setting up shell companies into which money was diverted.
Thank you, Rajdeep, for having me over. I mean, to be very clear, the project was envisaged about skilling the youth of Andhra Pradesh, and this project is not new to Andhra. This project has been implemented in other states. In fact, in 2013, the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi ji, implemented the exact project there, and subsequently 6 other states also implemented the project. We just borrowed the model from there and implemented it. So we have not re-engineered it or redone anything new. It's the same project that's been implemented.
No, the accusation
if you also look at the remand report, it's quite clear that they haven't been able to prove.
The accusation is that that money which was meant for the project was diverted into shell companies through fake invoices.
See, if you look at it, the FIR was filed in 2021. It's now been 2 years. Charge sheet hasn't been filed. There are 36 people who have been accused before Mr. Naidu has been. All of them at different points of time have been interrogated by ED, IT and other regulatory agencies. And now if you see that everyone's out on bail, all their accounts are, are not frozen anymore. Money is flowing out. And in fact, ED has clearly stated that there's no money laundering. So I don't know where this government has come up with this entire model.
So you're saying there is no money trail, you're saying there's no money laundering, and yet your father at the moment is 2 weeks into judicial custody. Are you therefore saying that all of this is designed by Jagan Reddy because there are elections in Andhra Pradesh 6 months from now? Is that your direct accusation once again that this is pure vendetta?
100%. This is pure vendetta politics. I mean, this model has been implemented in all other states by the same company, by the same people signing on the dotted line at a price point lower than the other states. At a price point lower than the other states. And this government has not been able to prove, in their remand report also, that money has come to X, Y, Z. They have not been able to prove. So they have not been able to prove that money came to me or Mr. Naidu or any of the companies that we have floated. Nothing. Nothing is there in the remand report. So that's why we are very clear that it's nothing but vendetta politics. And this is clear, keeping in mind that elections are around the corner. I mean, Mr. Jagan, go ahead.
Go ahead.
I mean, they know that. I mean, elections are on the corner. They want to sling mud at us. Jagan is a known, he's been accused in multiple cases. There are close to 38 cases against him, 10 CBI cases, close to 7 or 8 ED cases, and other cases are also on him. And he's now trying to accuse everyone around him, stating that they're also corrupt. And that's exactly what's happening. It's nothing but vendetta politics.
No, but at the end of the day, while the state CID has acted, there's also an ED inquiry going on in the same case, Lokesh. So the belief is that your father will have to answer questions in this case. If he's innocent, the law will take its own course. And apparently there are several other cases, according to the YSRCP government, where again there are allegations of corruption against Chandrababu Naidu and the TDP. So it's not just one case. They claim there will be several cases that are still to be investigated.
No, Rajiv, can you explain this to me? It's been 4 years and 4 months since this government came into power. In the last 4 years, 4 months, have they been able to show with a document stating that here's the land or here's the money? They've not been able to show anything. The remand report does not have anything. And they're just simply blaming us. Nothing more than that.
Your father is now...
So, I mean, whatever cases that they claim that Mr. Naidu is involved, they can't, I mean, they have not been able to prove. It could be the so-called insider trading with regards to the land, Amravati land, or it could be fiber grid or any other case. They have not been able to prove tangibly that yes, here's the money trail, here's the money that's come into an account. They have not been able to prove so far.
But
and they won't be able to prove because we have not committed any crime.
No, but what seems to have happened at the moment, Lokesh, is that yes, elections are coming up in a few months, but there seems to be a cycle of vendetta politics. Jagan Reddy says that Chandrababu Naidu was out to get him, and somehow or the other target Jagan Mohan when Mr. Naidu was in power. Now the shoe is on the other foot, and the BJP is watching. They are watching this battle being played out between the two Andhra parties.
See, it's a known fact that Jagan used his father's office and amassed wealth. It's proven with documentary evidence that quid pro quo happened and money came to companies owned by Jagan and his family members. That's how he floated Sakshi Television, Sakshi Paper, started a cement plant, did many power projects, purchased a commercial property in Bangalore. This is all there. It's clear. It's established. In the case of Mr. Naidu, nothing like this is established. They haven't been able to prove. There are no documents available because we have not committed any crime.
My final question, therefore, to you, what next for you and the Telugu Desam? Could this be a body blow for the Telugu Desam if Chandrababu Naidu has to spend an extended period behind bars, or do you believe that you all will be able to garner sympathy as a result of all that has happened?
Justice is delayed, but truth shall prevail. There's no second thoughts about it. As Telugu Desam Party, this is not the first time that we have faced such challenges. It was in the 80s when Mr. NTR, our founding father, was removed by Indira Gandhi illegally. Subsequently, we fought. He was reinstated as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. So this is not the first time that we've had such challenges. And I'm pretty certain that Telugu Desam Party will come together. Our cadre will fight against this government. And the next Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh will be Mr. Chandrababu Naidu.
Okay. You're very confident that you believe that you will bounce back. Your father will become Chief Minister of Andhra once again. That's, of course, for the future. But for now, Nara, Lokesh, for coming in and breaking your silence on this issue, thank you very much for joining me here on the news today.